So it kind of worked out that we saw Spoon, founder and owner, at this event. I knew he was going to be around, I just wasn't sure what time or what time he's leaving. But as soon as the autograph was done, he was here for maybe an hour and then he left. So perfect timing. Right now we're going to hop to another car meet. Well, not a car meet, a pop-up. So it's going to be the Badseki by Sarah Choi as well as TRA Kyoto. Alright, so our new friend from Malaysia over here.
Hi, welcome.
So yeah,
meet Justin, a very nice guy.
Yeah, appreciate
so,
it.
Car lover.
Yep,
so
yep.
after this gonna be have another event, right?
Another pop-up, yep.
Yeah,
so let's go. Yeah.
Come.
Thank you. Random car spots on the roads of Japan. Crazy. So we're not too far away from the Badseki event.
Right, turn left.
So we're back at Shibuya Crossing, but during the daytime. Look at all the people. This is where they film Tokyo Drift.
Yes, so where the scene Tokyo Drift.
We just made it here to the Sarah Choi Badseki event. And look what we see right there. Pandem Porsche. And we just got here to the Badseki pop-up in collaboration with TRA Kyoto Pandem. Guess what we have right here? We have 997 Porsche white body that's molded on super aggressive deep dish wheels. 997. Ooh, so good. Also, just notice on the rear of this thing, it is twin turbo. Turbo just sitting right underneath. So aggressive. Wow. In the interior, we also have a deep dish steering wheel, raised bucket seats, roll cage. I love the 997s. Check out inside Badseki's pop-up. Pretty cool vibe in here. Sorry. Very industrial vibe. Pop-up. Merch. We also have Sarah Choi here. Couple of pretty cool photos over here. Got a Liberty Walk. Okay. The pop up. Look at the merch. So this Sarah Choi's brand that she launched. Small little pop up. Then you see the merch. Pretty cool. So just done a little Badseki pop-up. We also saw Joey, Sticky Jojo there. Right now I'm gonna go grab some food, some kebabs. So we just got over here to this kebab spot, Turkish kebab. We're gonna eat some kebab food with our Malaysian friends. So actually we're turning around the corner and actually I guess traffic police put us over for using wrong signals. But gave us a warning, really nice, let us off. Told him we're tourists here in Japan. So yeah, I'm just gonna grab some Turkish kebab food for some late lunch. So here to get some food, we decided to go with the kebab don. So it's like a Japanese version of a kebab, the meat and rice. And Turkish kebab don for lunch with our new Malaysian friend. And we are back at Onitsuka Tiger a couple of hours later to pick up our shoes. Mission accomplished, just got our custom Onitsuka Tigers. And we are heading to the Peaches car meet right now. Passing by the Tom's Racing showroom again. And we're about 5 minutes from the meet. Also want to say a big thank you to Fuse for driving us. Appreciate it. Just here at a random parking lot, car spots, GR Yaris. Over here, a 996 Porsche, R32 GTR. We have a Subaru, Look at that, roll cage in the back, fully gutted. Some seats. S15 Sylvia. Rocket Bunny. GTH6 white body. FD2R. Just random car spots in Japan. Alright, so we're gonna find our way to the main event, but just a parking lot alone. All these crazy cars. FD2 Type R. This thing is clean. Look how aggressive it is with the hood and fenders. BMW M2. Mark IV Supra. BMW i8, and this one has a wide body kit too and a big wing. I don't think I've seen a wide body i8 ever. Wide body BMW i8 with a big wing. Very interesting setup. Alright, so making our way towards the Peaches car meet. Alright, I'll probably put the Peaches car meet in a whole separate video, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And we're here at the Peaches car meet. Look how insane this looks. The number of cars. Wow. They just switch on the EG Civic. So we made it back safely. Rico had a really fun day all the way in Nico circuit for drifting.
Like, look out for those photos. My IG.
Rico lands, gonna link it here.
Jeez.
But yeah, I mean it was like a long, like almost 4 hours of his 4 or 5 hours of his day just traveling.
Met some cool people.
Met some cool people.
God,
saw
man.
Matt Mike. And then I went to those pop-ups that you guys saw. So right now we're just gonna go to the convenience store, 7-Eleven, grab some late night food. Here at 7-Eleven for our last meal. Alright, we just made it back to the hotel room. Our last convenience store dinner before we head back to Texas. Rico's food. Gonna miss the convenience store food. It is generally pretty good here in Japan. So affordable, keeps you full. And yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a night. It's been a long day. Very fun day. Hope you guys like the videos. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.